Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buenos dias mga amigos. Wonderboy Ways to Wonder is here again. So, continuation of our vlog here in Mexico, particularly in Cancun area. This is our day 3. So, oh sorry, it's day 4. Nagbakasyon yung utak ko. So, this is our day 4 and now we're going to walk like near the beach from the hotel where we stay. Hang on tight there and join us for our vlog for today. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you today?
I'm good. You, senor?
Good. Today.
How do you say good morning in Spanish?
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, amigo. And how about have a good day?
Have a good day?
Yeah.
Buenas tardes.
Buenos tardes. Buenos tardes. So, right now, we are walking out from the we're walking around the vicinity of the hotel again. Also, of course, we're going to see the seaside first, you know. Right, 6 a.m. in the morning. So we're just gonna walk maybe for an hour, and then it's already 6, so 7 a.m. the breakfast starts now. Well, the breakfast will start 7 a.m. So it's just a perfect time for us to walk maybe for an hour. Then after that, go back to the hotel. I'll go back to the hotel and take our breakfast. Tapos, then we can do our daily activity, which is scheduled for today, you know. So, right now for today, right after this, right after our breakfast, we're going to Isla Mujeres. So, mga ka-wonders, see you out there. Right? So guys, from the hotel we stayed, ito na yun. So this is the front side. Power trees out there, right here. Sabi-labi. So this is the hotel where we stayed for 5 days, and I would say the service was very, very good. Provide us whatever they need. People are friendly, makakaganda talaga. And then guys, it's a white sand, no? White sand dito. It's nice to walk sometimes, no? In the morning sa mga ganitong lugar. Guys, this is only this area, but if you want to visit other places here in Cancun, you guys have so many options, and some of them they are very not far from here, no? Actually, dikit-dikit na dito, no? Yung mga hotels. Hotels are everywhere. So, these buildings you can see, these are all hotels. So guys, they have a warning signs here. No clavados, no diving. Precaution con embarcaciones circulado. Boats circulating. Precaution con motos circulando. Jet skis circulating. No estás permitido nadar en la área de embarcaciones. Swimming is not allowed in the boat area. Prohibidad la pesca en el shore. No fishing from the deck. So, guys, they have warnings, signs, or a warning here that we need to read before tayo gumawa ng kung ano-ano dito. At least we're in a safe place, ano, if we follow the rules and regulation, no, and we respect that, para naman hindi na tayo magkabirya pa, no, just to avoid something, no. So safety and precaution lang naman yung mga warnings na yun, no. So guys, I can see here, no, dito sa isang hut na to, there are some I think promotional, ano siguro to, promotional ano to, alright, eto hindi ko na to magagawa dito. So ang dami pang mga activities na pwede natin gawin. There are so many activities that we can't do because our time is very limited, no. So hopefully there will be another next time for us here in Cancun or in Mexico, so we can try these things. If you guys are too adventurous, these are the things you need to do here in Mexico. What a good experience for us, but we don't have enough time to do these things. So I think this is the X-current. I'll show you guys. There you go. So I think that's all. If you guys looking for some adventurous things like zip lining, swimming with the cenotes, I think this is the best place for you guys. So to be honest, ways to wonder, I'm not a good swimmer, but I want to go places like this. So when you visited them and when you see them, no stress, sabi nga nila. Pertuares, Cancun. Okay. So basically this is only like my daily routine, no? Walking in the morning. So if you want guys snorkeling, meron din dito. You guys can do this. 3. Sports Fishing Yacht. Good morning. See some other jet ski here where you can rent. Right? This hotel's a good one too. Good morning. Buenos dias. Coconut tree. If you wanna see my peaks, it's full of sand. Pero white sand naman. It's like rock. Boracay, you know. Oh, there you go. Another coconut tree. Okay, we are now approaching a different hotel, no? This is from the left side of the hotel we stayed. This is like the Temptation Hotel. See this? It's a great one. It's a great hotel. To the left. So dito pwede kayong magbabad. Morning. There you go. Another coconut trees. Coconut trees are everywhere here, guys. So I'm back home. There's some yate. Strictly prohibited. No diving. Like yate out there. This is the Temptation Hotel. Right to the left. There you go. There you go. Some yacht here. So we can have beach volleyball this side. Maybe. Cute, you know? Coconut under the tree. Baliktad coconut under the tree. Oh, better watch out for this. Oh. Dito white sand talaga. Here's the white sand. Oh. You can tell. This is the white sand. White sand, yan. It's a pure white sand, guys. Another hotel. This side is another hotel is a different hotel. So as I told you a while ago, napakaraming hotel dito. Oh, pwede kang mag-relax muna sa loob niya, no? Guys, I'm starting to get sweat. Galing, oh. Doon, duyan yon. So, pwede kang babad dyan. Pag nalaglag ka, diretso ligo na. So, guys, in that area, duyan. Nandito siya sa tabing dagat. So, pag nalaglag ka doon, diretso ligo na. Alright? Okay? So, there's a massage area down that side. I can see it from here. Massage area. So this is a different hotel. Hotel is everywhere. So what the fuck? Welcome aboard. Okay. So this is massage area. They have Cancun jungle tours for 89 USD. So guys, if you guys interested with jungle adventures, see here, Cancun jungle tours for only 89 US dollars, and you can avail this adventure. Alright, what's this? Crocs? It's a crocodile. I don't want to go there, I guess. So yeah, I think it's time for me to go back and set up. There's like some good places here. So guys, there, if you go here in Cancun, maybe I would say overall is very good. Cheap, not the cheapest on earth, pero cheap, but the service was very good. Food is good too, and then that's only based on my own experience, you know. So every people has a different insights for this, you know, when it comes to touring around one particular area. So some people don't like the food, some people don't like the place, some people but that's their comments, you know. But for us, not only here but every places we visited, excellence.